Hi everyone, welcome back to Airdrop Insider, your go-to channel for the latest crypto airdrops and blockchain rewards. I'm Adam, and today we're diving into an exciting AI-powered project, Sentient AI. Their SETAI AI Airdrop is live, giving users the chance to earn free tokens by engaging with their interactive AI platform. Stick around as I break down how you can qualify, earn points, and claim your SETAI tokens before the official launch. And if you have questions or need guidance, you can always contact me directly on Telegram. I'll help you with advice, updates, and support for this and other crypto projects. The link is in the description below. Don't hesitate to reach out. Let's get started. Sentient AI is an advanced platform that enhances human-AI interaction through intelligent agents, helping users boost productivity and solve complex tasks effortlessly. The SETAI Airdrop rewards early users for active participation on the platform. By completing tasks, logging in daily, and interacting with the community, you can earn points that convert into SETAI tokens during the official launch. Follow these steps to earn SETAI points for the airdrop. Step 1. Complete profile. Setup. Navigate to the Hello tab and answer the setup questions to get 100 SETAI points. Step 2. Daily engagement. Log in daily and use the Tap to Earn feature every 4 hours to collect points. Step 3. Community interaction. Spend 10 SETAI points to greet other users and earn 50 points when they respond. Step 4. Invite friends. Use your referral link to invite friends and both of you earn extra SETAI points. The more you engage, the more points you earn, so stay active. Once you've accumulated points, here's how to convert them into SETAI tokens. 1. Keep participating. Continue logging in, completing tasks, and engaging with the community. 2. Token conversion. During the official launch in 2025, your points will be converted into SETAI tokens. Don't wait. Start earning points today and secure your free SETAI tokens. If you have any questions about the Sentient AI airdrop or need guidance, I'm here to help. Message me directly on Telegram for assistance. The link is in the description below. Let's make sure you don't miss out on this airdrop. That's it for today's video. The Sentient AI airdrop is a fantastic way to engage with an AI-powered platform while earning free tokens. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to Airdrop Insider, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new airdrop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy earning!